In other news tonight, President Aquino wants disaster-resilient infrastructure constructed in areas devastated by Super Typhoon Yolanda, and he wants them built fast. The president stressed the need to fast-track the recovery and reconstruction efforts in those areas to enable typhoon survivors to rebuild and resume their normal lives. Elena Luna reports.
President Aquino has ordered his cabinet officials to speed up operations in areas affected by Super Typhoon Yolanda. PCOO Secretary Sandy Coloma says the president gave the directive in yesterday's cabinet meeting.
The president directed the cabinet yesterday to fast-track the restoration of the economic and social conditions of the affected areas following the Build Back Better principle, with emphasis on attaining a higher degree of disaster resilience. The president emphasized the need to speed the process of enabling the people in the affected areas to rebuild their homes and resume productive livelihood and employment activities in communities that are fortified and protected from the harsh impact of natural disasters.
Newly appointed Rehabilitation SAR Secretary Panfilo Lacson gave inputs in his first cabinet meeting.
Secretary Lacson informed the president and the cabinet that there is a very high degree of private sector interest in investing in the redevelopment of the typhoon-affected areas, and that he will request for concrete project proposals from the private sector.
NEDA presented the framework for response that defines timelines for the pathways to recovery. DBM announced the release of 238 million pesos to the National Housing Authority for the construction of permanent housing units. Secretary Mar Rojas presented a report on LGU basic recovery requirements covering 171 LGUs, including 46 cities and 125 municipalities severely affected by the typhoon.
Priority attention will be given to the reconstruction of municipal halls, public markets, and multipurpose facilities that will also serve as temporary shelters and evacuation centers.
The Department of Trade and Industry showed its plan for recovery.
Secretary Domingo presented a business recovery plan which includes the following: grant of loans to severely affected businesses, restoration of large businesses operations to pre-Yolanda levels, promotion of labor-intensive industries, and provision of duty-free access to the U.S. of local products from Yolanda-affected areas. DTI will also rebuild the micro-distribution network, revive the sari-sari store economy, and restart local cottage and small and medium enterprise supply chains.
Secretary Coloma says the recovery and reconstruction plan will be presented next week in a forum with the country's development partners. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.